12:40 a.m. and after reviewing the footage that I have for the video 2, I realized that I have some archived footage back from early January of this year of me working on the car, the Dauphine, and I wanted to include it. So just a quick heads up that this segment, this video, is probably going to make as much sense as the Terminator timeline. So bear with me, and as always, appreciate you. And action. Jojo, what are you doing? Yeah, look at all that junk in there, huh? A lot of junk in there. So basically right now I'm just cutting out the floor pan, or what remains of it, which honestly is not very much. It's like cutting through Swiss cheese. I've almost got this back seat floor pan section out. And I've removed this part that I'm standing in. I'm kind of working my way around. Well, after some serious hard work, I finally got the first fender off. And as you can see, it's in perfect condition. Hardly touched by the passage of time at all. Should be a really small, easy, quick fix. Okay, quick recap. Most of the floor pan removed, as you can see. It's looking okay, but when you look at the rest of the car, you can kind of tell it's a big job. I've really hardly cracked it. Oh, and it's like 12:30 in the morning on a Thursday.
successful evening. We're in the last few days, gotten a lot done. The gas tank is out. It's kind of a bear, but did it. Oh yeah, my nice table. Back to the car. Front fender off. Looking pretty good. That is until you get up closer. It's actually looking pretty bad. Really bad. That's all gonna have to be just totally fixed. Reconstructed completely. That's all gonna have to be reconstructed. Lots of holes in this boot. But I think I can do it. Granted enough time. There we go. That's nice. Totally eaten through. Great. And these wheels are off, which means these fenders will be coming off shortly. And beyond that, I don't have anything else to show you, so.
I just want to say thank you guys for sticking around for this video, and as always, stay sexy, and keep coming back for this delicious, original, steamy, hot, delicious, delicious original content. Appreciate you so much. Shout out to my 6 subscribers. You guys mean a lot to me. And
But then, there's another handy way to get around and have fun doing it. The Renault Dauphine, the car made in France to make driving fun again. Balloons, please. Now, there's lots to talk about, so let's make the camera go fast. Watch for the fun car with the balloons. First, see the Dauphine's maneuverability in traffic. Look how it gets around and how it corners. Special axle design does that. And see how it accelerates and climbs. Driving economy gets up to 40 miles a gallon. Parking? The big car couldn't get in the space. But watch this. With the Renault Dauphine, everybody's an expert. Lots of room for you to park inside. Handy as roller skates and twice the fun. Even has a city horn and a country horn. That's the Renault Dauphine. At any of 600 coast-to-coast sales, service, and parts headquarters. Won't you try it?